Number 1. 1977 Ford F250 4x4 Highboy, $9,200, Hudson, Wisconsin, fun. This 1977 Ford F250 Highboy represents a robust piece of American truck heritage. Known for its rugged construction, the F250 Highboy features a big block V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. Its NP205 divorced transfer case ensures reliable 4x4 performance. This pickup has an odometer reading of 66,000 miles, though its true mileage may be higher. A striking black paint job complements its solid body, and retro mod LED headlights enhance visibility while preserving a classic aesthetic. Additional features include a functional bedside toolbox, a bench seat with a new cover, and straight piped exhaust for an aggressive sound. With an upgraded bumper and well-maintained lighting system, this truck is ready for both work and play. 2. 1971 Chevrolet C20, $5,000, Fruitland, Idaho. The 1971 Chevrolet C20 is a durable and versatile truck designed for heavy-duty tasks. This example, finished in a vintage yellow, retains its 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, though the odometer has rolled over. It includes new tires, a new intake manifold, and a headliner, making it a promising project truck. While it runs and drives, its owner has not had the time to further improve it. This C20 offers a balance of functionality and restoration potential, suitable for anyone seeking an affordable classic pickup with a clean title and room for customization. Three. 1971 Chevrolet K20 4x4, $5,990, Fairplay, Colorado. This 1971 Chevrolet K20 4x4 delivers reliability and off-road capability. Powered by a 350 CI V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it remains true to its rugged roots. With 155,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is well maintained with all features, including the 4x4 system operating smoothly. The body is solid, and while the radio is non-functional, it does not detract from the truck's usability. This K20 is a dependable option for enthusiasts seeking a straightforward, ready-to-drive classic truck. Hampshire 4, 1975 K20 Scottsdale, $5,000, Big Lake, Minnesota. The 1975 Chevrolet K20 Scottsdale offers a blend of functionality and classic appeal. This truck is powered by a 350 CI engine with a TH350 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit installed only 2 years ago with minimal mileage since. The body shows its age with some dents and a minor rust spot on the passenger fender, but its Arizona history ensures minimal structural decay. Dual exhausts with chrome headers enhance its performance and sound, while the interior and mechanical updates make it a reliable candidate for restoration or regular use. 5. 1978 Chevrolet K10, $8,200, Mitchell, Oregon. This 1978 Chevrolet K10 stands out for its well-preserved condition and history. With a 350 CI small block engine, a 3-speed automatic transmission, and full-time 4x4, this truck is ideal for winter driving or off-road adventures. The odometer reads 68,000 miles, and the truck's condition suggests it may be accurate. Owned by careful custodians, this K10 has received significant interior care, retaining its original character. Originally purchased in Fossil, Oregon, this truck is a true survivor, showcasing Chevrolet's commitment to durability and quality. Six. 1977 Ford F100, $7,000, Huntersville, North Carolina. A dependable daily driver, this 1977 Ford F100 features a small block 302 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. While not a showpiece, this truck has benefited from professional maintenance, including suspension, differential, and engine tune-ups. The red exterior and rebuilt title underscore its practical workhorse nature. With 35,000 miles on the odometer and straightforward mechanics, it's a reliable and affordable classic for everyday use or further enhancement. 1960 Ford F100, $6,500, Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1960 Ford F100 combines vintage charm with practical functionality. Powered by a fully overhauled 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 engine, the truck runs smoothly. The 8-foot bed, clean title, and rust-free frame emphasize its solid build. The interior is in excellent condition, and the exterior, while not perfect, is clean and appealing. For those seeking a classic truck with originality and reliability, this F100 is a standout option. Number 8. 1960 Chevrolet C10 stepside, 9,350 Yorks. This 1960 Chevrolet C10 stepside offers a strong foundation for restoration or use as a daily driver. Featuring a straight 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it drives well and retains its factory setup. The body and undercarriage are rust-free, a rarity for a truck of this vintage. While some brake components and a directional switch need installation, parts included, the truck is a solid runner with excellent structural integrity. Its flat white paint and classic rally wheels add to its distinctive look. Nine. 1963 Chevrolet C10 pickup, $9,500, Lake Stevens, Washington. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 is a well-preserved survivor with only 2 owners. It features a straight-6 engine and a rebuilt 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Recent updates include a new fuel pump, tires, windshield, and brakes. The rust-free body and undercarriage highlight its Washington origins and careful ownership. It is ready to drive and offers an authentic piece of American automotive history for enthusiasts seeking originality. Numbers 10. 1952 Ford F3, $7,500, Osseo, Minnesota. This 1952 Ford F3 exudes vintage appeal with practical upgrades. Powered by a 215 SI inline-6 engine, the truck retains its original engine, included with the sale, and features a 4-speed, non-synchronized transmission. Mechanical updates include new rear leaf springs, kingpins, and a 6-volt electrical system. With minimal rust, working heat, and seatbelts installed, This truck is a functional and nostalgic choice for collectors or drivers. 11. 1976 Chevrolet K10 4x4, 14,000 up, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1976 Chevrolet K10 4x4 is a meticulously maintained example of a capable classic. Powered by a 400 CI V8 engine, the truck features a newly rebuilt carburetor and numerous mechanical upgrades, including a refreshed braking system, differential service, and new exhaust. Interior updates include a restored dashboard, instrument bezel, and retro radio with modern features. With 61,000 miles, this K10 is a rare find, combining excellent condition with robust off-road capability.